the first ever series of Quad Warz.
We're going to be using 400EXs. We're going to be keeping the red 400EX completely stock, and we're going to be taking the yellow 400EX and slowly adding modifications to it, then lining the quads up in a drag race.
Why don't you say we jump on these things and test them out?
All right, so we're riding John's 400.
I think it's going to be a really good matchup, to be honest with you.
It almost actually feels like it might be faster than the yellow one.
I don't know, man. She looks pretty good.
We're gonna try a second gear launch. John's gonna record the top speed. Here we go on the yellow quad.
Literally 2 miles per hour difference every single time. What we should do here is just line them up.
Got him! I say we swap quads. Oh my God! I cannot believe how freaking close that was.
so freaking sick.
The yellow one is definitely faster.
We decided to add weight to my machine to make things more even.
Oh, it does make it really equal.
By like 1 or 2
exactly
pounds.
300.
Oh my God! It wants to wheelie so bad with this backpack on. I missed the ship! Dude, that was really tight. I would definitely say the yellow quad's faster.
Let's go ahead and get you installing that big board.
John's got his helmet on. He's about to take out the 400 after we've done the mod. Faster.
Way faster. Dude, I'm really wanting to see the top speed difference. Oh, dude! We gotta line them up, bro.
It's pretty obvious that it's gained some power.
We added an aftermarket cam for even more power.
Oh my God, bro!
It's not even a comparison. I think what it is you can't put all the power down.
All that's left to do is line them up.
Should you give me like a couple lengths? Bullshit! That was fucked up, man.
That was awesome!
That thing just fucking destroys it, dude. It's not even close.
Dude, this thing reels you in.
How do you think this thing would stack up to a 450?
Bro, is that the reigning top quad champ?
Oh,
This thing is definitely no slouch, bro. I guarantee this thing on the track rapes people constantly.
Out of the hole, I think the 450 is going to launch way better. We're going to put it up against the OEM 400EX.
Don't be scared. I don't know. I think it's gonna be close with the yellow one.
I agree.
This is it, bro. What do you think's gonna happen? We gotta get the equalizer, dude.
Yeah, let's go get it. Get some, bro. Get some.
We got a chance here, guys. I think we're gonna get him. Want to run a trap speed and see how fast it goes.